By clicking on the Support Team tab, you can view users who have previously been enabled as queue operators in the User Management section. By ticking the email notification box, you can receive an email when a ticket is assigned. By clicking on the plus symbol in the top right-hand corner, groups can be added by defining their name, then operators can be assigned to that group. By clicking on the plus symbol in the Organizations tab, it is possible to associate the email domains with the respective companies so that we can easily identify the tickets.